Hello everyone! Welcome back to Yolanda Kitchenomics. And for today's special recipe that I'm going to share is soft and fluffy pandesal. Homemade po natin. Yan po ang aking breakfast kanina at niligyan ko po ng cheese at may match na boiled eggs. Yan, napakasarap at napakalambot na pandesal. At umpisahan po natin by sifting flour. We need sifted flour, 3 1/4 cup bread flour. 2 teaspoon instant yeast. Haluin. Maglagay ng butas sa gitna. Maglagay ng 1 large egg. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 cup of light brown sugar. 1/4 cup of melted butter. Yan, haluin natin. 1 cup evaporated milk. Then, mix well. Combine all together the ingredients. Then, i-combine natin. Then, we need to put little amount of oil into your hands to avoid sticking. Yan, kasi mamasahin natin. Pushing it down and then outward using the heels of your hands. Yan. Masahin natin, transfer to your work surface. Continue kneading dough until it becomes soft and supple. Pushing the dough away with the heel of your palm. Folding it over itself with your fingers and pulling it back. Pinch the dough to check its firmness kung okay na. So, pull gently if it's elastic and not to break. Yan, fully kneaded na yan. Okay na yan at form natin like a ball. Transfer to the mixing bowl. And put a little amount of oil. Yan, lagyan natin ng konting oil para hindi mag-elephant skin. Yan, yung ating dough. Then, cover it with cling wrap or a piece of cloth. Pwede rin yung cloth. Cover natin dyan. Rest the dough for at least 1 hour until mag-double yung size. Then, prepare a baking pan. Yan, lagyan natin ng shortening. Then, after 1 hour, the dough is already doubled. Yan, pwede na punch to release the air out of the dough. Put some flour to work surface. Then, divide into 4. Yan, weigh 20 grams each. Divide the dough equally. At yan, gagawin natin, i-form natin ng ganyan ng pabilog. Then, gamit ang ating fingers, i-lock mo yun sa ganyan lang, kasimple. Then, i-roll mo dyan ng konti para ma-sealed yung sa likod niya. Yan, gamit yung ating mga daliri. Roll over breadcrumbs. Yan, continue and repeat the process hanggang sa matapos. Then, ilagay natin sa ating baking pan. Yan, siguraduhin lang po natin naglagay tayo ng konting shortening or oil sa ating pan. Then, allow some space. Yan, para pag tumubo, mayroon pang space. Yan. Cover it again for at least 45 to 1 hour hanggang sa Ganyan. Tignan nyo, now ready to bake. Tumubo siya, di ba? Then, preheat natin yung oven natin. Then, we will bake 180 degrees Celsius, 30 minutes. Check our time. Yan, hanggang mag-golden brown. Wow, done baking after 30 minutes. Wow, napakalambot. And I hope you like this recipe, and please don't forget to subscribe and leave your comment down below. Thank you so much. Until next time.